everyone, it's Angel Baby from iAngelBabyNails, and I'm going to be picking the lucky winner that entered the raffle that was at the Love Jones event that was on September 12th. And what it was you had to give $5 in, and if you were picked for the winner, you would win a free set. So today I'm going to pick our winner. Alright, so I'm so nervous. I can't wait to pick. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be shuffling them and then picking one out of the bunch. And as you can see, it says good luck, and good luck to everyone, and thank you everyone for participating in this raffle. It will definitely not be the last, so make sure you come out September 27th and September 28th. That's when I'll be doing more raffles, so come out and support and enter. Here we go. I don't know. What should I do? Should I say 1, 2, 3? Okay, let me stop. Alright, so let me see. And the lucky winner is... Alright, let's pick this one. The lucky winner is... Tiffany Patterson. Yay! Congratulations, Tiffany. You are the winner of the Love Jones free set from iAngelBabyNails. So I will be contacting you, and to those who entered, don't worry, there will be more. And thank you everybody for participating. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at iAngelBabyNails. Subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit that bell button to receive notifications on when I upload.